So necessity is the mother of invention, and few things are more powerful than a mom on a mission. So after experiencing terrifying near-death, low blood sugar episodes of her two oldest children, Pamela Hayward made it her life's mission to develop treatment solutions for those suffering from diabetes. So after forming SOS Life Sciences in 2016, Pamela launched the first product, Advocate Glucose SOS, available in retail stores throughout the US, the UK, and Australia. The second product, Glucose SOS for Pets, is manufactured in North Carolina and distributed nationwide by veterinarians and Chewy.com. Future plans include expansion into the retail pet market in the United States, release of a glucose tablet melt in the spring, followed by a glucose smoothie. So these achievements and the proven ability to execute product development, manufacturing, and distribution partnerships are impressive for a company that's only 5 years old. I look forward to seeing what the next 5 years brings to SOS Life Sciences, its mom on a mission, and people and pets living with diabetes. And now please join me in congratulating SOS Life Sciences on the Manufacturing and Distribution CEA Award.
Thank you all so much. It's a great honor for me to have received the Coastal Entrepreneur Awards in manufacturing and distribution. Paige O'Neill said I probably should call myself a solopreneur instead of an entrepreneur. It definitely, necessity is the mother of invention, and I set out and I was determined, beginning with my two type 1 diabetic daughters. They were my inspiration to save lives and to develop a more effective form of raising blood sugar levels with all people and pets that have diabetes. I'm thankful to a lot of people, God, my friends, my family, my holistic family, which includes everyone with diabetes, the American Diabetes Association, the Juvenile Diabetes Research Foundation. I also could not do this without the help from Paige O'Neill and Gloria Monroe, who've become friends of mine through the SBDTC. You know, all of those letters rhyme except for the S. So it's kind of a little twister to say all those at the same time, but I'm grateful for all the support. My life's always been about the journey of the climb, rise and fall, but I feel I'm closer to the top of the mountain now. So thank you so much.